Hello everyone, this is Sarvesh from Apps2Fusion, and today we have with us Amanpreet Bhatia, who is an Azure developer, and he currently works with Fusion practices, and he's working on a big project with a large UK-based insurer. So let's start by getting to know his journey. So Amanpreet, hi, how are you doing?
Hi, Sarvesh. I'm good today. How are you?
Good, good, good. So what we want to know is how you started on this particular career path, how you zeroed in on this, that this is what I want to become.
hmm Okay. Academically, I'm an electronics and communication engineer. I graduated in the year 2016. After that, I worked as a business intelligence developer for around 3 years in an MNC. So once 3 years passed, and I thought of upgrading my skill sets because the market trends always change in IT, and you have to catch up, right? So I came across Apps2Fusion on the internet, and I found some of the courses very relevant to what I was actually doing, to my knowledge and to my uh, skill sets. So I started my journey with the Azure Fundamentals training, which was provisioned by Apps2Fusion.
And that's how you entered the world of Azure cloud computing bit.
That's right. That's right.
So that's what we'd like to talk about today. So can you tell us what exactly is Azure and how do you use it to help organizations?
Okay. Azure is one of Microsoft's products. What Microsoft has done is it has leveraged all of its data centers to create Azure, and it gives users the opportunity to build, create, develop applications on any technology, on any language, by using any software, wherever and wherever in the world you are located, you can access Azure. Why I think that Azure is being used by most of the organizations today is because of the flexibility it provides us. We can scale down, scale up database systems, applications anytime. We can we have the options, easy options of disaster recovery, logging capabilities, etc. So it's very convenient for organizations nowadays.
Understood. So, we speak to a lot of freshers and a lot of people who are in the graduation process at Apps to Fusion, right? And see, many of them know that this career path is a high growth, a high paying career path, but they don't necessarily know where to sort of start, right? So, what would be your advice to them? How can they start on like embarking on a career path like this? And why is this career path so high growth, high paying, and why is it coveted by people?
Okay, this is kind of my story. So for getting into the Azure world, I think one should always try to kickstart their journey by learning any one programming language.
Okay.
Getting to know any kind of logical programming builds your analytical skills, your reasoning skills, and it's a great way to start your journey. So if one candidate is a fresher who is an entry level candidate, and even for a skilled IT professional, you will find n number of courses on the internet today uh, which will promise that you will learn a programming language in 1 month or 2 weeks or something like that. But I personally believe that is not true, and you need to take a holistic approach towards learning. So that is again why I chose Apps2Fusion, because it was a combination of different sets of technologies like a programming language, understanding data, security concepts on Azure, etc.
Understood. So, what we want to know is people who are just starting out, right? What are the roles, job roles, and titles they can look forward to if they choose a career path like this, and who in particular can target something like this?
Okay, so Azure is huge. It gives you a lot of options, first of all, starting from a developer to an architect to someone who designs security on Azure, Azure consultants, Azure data engineers whose roles are specific only to data integration and reportings. Yeah, so I think those are the different type of paths you can choose, one can choose. And how and who can take it up is I don't think there's any filter over there. Anyone who has just graduated, um although they might not be from an IT background, they can always take it up. There's a lot available on the internet already, as I said. And for an experienced IT candidate, also you can onboard into Azure Cloud by learning or enhancing your uh, skill sets which you already possess.
Right. And So talking about skill sets, if I have to ask you, what are say 3 or 4 skills that someone looking to go on this career path must inculcate in themselves?
Okay. First one would always be any one programming language. Yeah. Um, and second one, knowledge of any database systems. Right now, data is everywhere, wherever you go. So knowledge of any one database system. Third would be theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge of cloud computing concepts, because you are getting into Azure. Uh, there are always prerequisites. So, and fourth one, last but not the least, have big aspirations. That's how you will learn what all is there, and it will help you choose the best path for yourself.
Understood. Thanks, Amanpreet. Thanks for taking the time out and speaking with us, and all the best for your journey.
No problems, Avish. Have a good day.
Thank you.